Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. Today we are going to see that how we can run Jmeter from the command line, or we can say that how we can use it in the GUI mode, non-GUI mode. So now the question arises that why do we need to run the script in non-GUI mode when we have a decent looking GUI for Jmeter? So now let us see why we use the non-GUI mode. So basically the GUI mode will consume more resources of memory, and it is not advisable to use the GUI mode while doing heavy load testing. So as the test plan will contain the listeners or graphs, so while doing heavy load testing, it is always advisable that we use Jmeter in the non-GUI mode. And another reason is that we can integrate the Jmeter or the performance script with other systems like Jenkins or any other continuous integration tools, so that when the build comes, after that your performance tests are run. So because of these two reasons, we use non-GUI mode, and now we will be seeing that how to use the non-GUI mode. So the basic step would be, the step one would be to go to the command prompt, and then we have to open our bin folder. So let me write down those steps. So I will go to the command prompt and I will go to the bin directory of my Jmeter. So this is the step one. So let us open the command prompt. Okay, so now I am in the C directory, and my Jmeter is placed in E directory. So you can see it here. I have extracted the Jmeter setup in my E directory. So I will be going to the E directory first. Okay, so once I have been there, so let me go to the Apache folder. And in this, we are having the bin folder. Okay, so right now we are in the bin folder, and let us open Jmeter console also. So let us open any of the previous test plan. So let me take one of my previous test plan. Okay. So I have created a test script, and it contains a while loop and the request which we have used in our last lecture. So we'll be running this script through non-GUI mode. So right now we have opened it to see the test plan, what it is, and you can see there is CSV dataset config file, and then there are 3 requests. So now what we'll do is we'll close this, and we'll try to run this same from the command line. So for that we have to type in a command, that is Jmeter. Then we have to type in -n. So -n stands for non-GUI mode, and then we have to give the location of the JMX file. So first of all we have to type -t, and then we have to type in the location of our JMX file. So now our JMX file is in this folder, examples. So we will be running this JMS file. Any of test plan will do. So we will be running this JMS file, and for this we need the path. So I will copy up the path for this file, and I will go and paste it here, and then I will give the test plan name, that is perfect while. Okay, so right now I have given the test script location. So now I have to specify where to store my results. So I will go to this, and there is a folder named results. So this is a CSV file which is previously been generated. I will delete it, and I will give this path. So you have to specify -L and then this path. So once you paste it, then you have to give the file name for that CSV file. So we will be saving with the same name, that is test1.csv. And okay, so we are ready. So just quickly note down what we did just. So the step 2 is to go to the command prompt, and then we have to give this command. That is, I will copy this command. Okay, I will write it down. So that is Jmeter -n -t, then the location of your test script, and then you have to give the -l and the location where you want to save your result. Okay, so this is the command. And now if you can see, there is no file in the results folder, and we will check it out once we run this through non-GUI mode. So once this command is written, just click on enter and the execution will begin. You can see the execution has started on port 4445. This is the default port for non-GUI mode. And you can see end of run. So it means that the execution has ended and we can see the file. So once we go to the result folder, see the test1.csv file is being generated, and when we'll open it, so I'm opening it, and you can see the results, execution results here. So all the response code, response message, thread name, data type, failure message, all have been recorded in this file. So this CSV file, now if you want to view this, then you have to open up the Jmeter console. We can do that also. So just go to the Jmeter console. So you can view this file in any of the listener. So I will just add a thread group, and I will add a listener. So if I will add a listener, view results in table, or view, for more understanding, we'll add view results in tree. So here we can add one more listener, that is view results in tree. Okay, and now you have to browse the path of the file. So it is in the results folder. Okay, so this is the file. So you can see the results which we got there, they can be seen in here. And when we click on it, so all the load time, connect time, which was that there in the CSV, that can be displayed in here. And you can see that the script has been executed once. So in this way, so if you want to run the script twice or thrice, then accordingly you have to give your number of threads in the thread group, so and the loop count also. So whatever loop count and threads you will specify, the script will run for that much amount of time, and will the result will be generated. So in this way, we can run the Jmeter script in non-GUI mode. So there are basic 2 steps to be followed. Just we have to go to the command prompt, and then we have to go to the Jmeter bin folder path, and we have to run this simple command, that is Jmeter -n-t, location of a test script, -l, and the location where you want to save the result. Yeah. So that's all for today regarding this non-GUI mode, and hope you have liked it. So we'll be continuing with our other lectures in our upcoming sessions, and thank you.